Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kyler Patterson with HostGator.com, and today I'm really excited to show something to you that we haven't updated in almost 10 years, and that's your HostGator control panel. So this is a live video, and I'm going to walk you through all the things we can do with this new control panel. Since it's live, I'm going to give it a couple minutes so that people can go ahead and join in. We have a few people now, but this is really cool, and I'm really excited to share this with you. So I want everybody to kind of be able to catch up and see what's going on. And luckily, what you're seeing now is something that you've seen for probably 10 years if you've been with HostGator. I mean, you got the control panel, you got the HostGator, you got Snappy, you have all these cool features. Well, the cool thing is not a whole lot's going to change. But the good thing is that it's going to change. It's going to change for the better because it's going to look a lot prettier. And we added a few things in there to make this experience a lot better for you, our customers. So we still got a few people rolling in here, but this video is going to be live so people can watch this after the fact. And just going to go ahead and jump into it. I mean, we only have 20 people now, but hopefully people can see this and you guys will be excited with this as much as possible. If you also want to see some details, we also add a link to it so you can go check out our blog post. We gave a lot more details in there, but we just want to do a quick walkthrough and show you this new product and why we think you're going to love it, because I believe you're going to love it. So most of our customers, we didn't do this automatically. We didn't want to force you to an upgrade that you didn't like right away. So we gave you the soft option. So if you log into your control panel now, this is probably what you're going to see. You're going to see the default control panel. Well, what we're going to change to is called the Paper Lantern theme. And if you're a developer or if you've been around for a little while, you know that cPanel actually just released this not too long ago. We haven't pushed it to our customers right away because we wanted to test it out, and we also wanted to add some cool functionalities to it that didn't come by default with cPanel. So as you see right here, this is what you get. But to change over to this, we added super simple. You can scroll down under your preferences and you hit the Paper Lantern theme. So if you click that, it's going to automatically refresh you to the new theme. Now, if you don't like change, you're probably going to be a little worried about this at first. But trust me, this is an enormous improvement from what cPanel was in the past. And with the HostGator modifications, I think you're truly going to love this. So as you'll notice here first, we have a lot of stuff here on the left-hand side, so you can go ahead and click through. You also have your popular links and a lot of other things that are very familiar to the previous theme, but they look a little prettier. So the first thing we added in here that is not exactly in the cPanel theme itself, but we added was popular links. Since we've been around for a while, we know exactly what people are going to, what are the popular links that everybody is using. So one of the most popular ones, is File Manager. And next you have email accounts. Well, if you don't like these popular links, you want to do your own little thing, you can go ahead and remove these with this little X. Another cool thing here with the new cPanel, which was kind of in the X3 theme, or a legacy theme, but it wasn't really pronounced, is we're adding this here, is you can actually search quickly for what you're looking for. So say I want to look for my MySQL databases, or I want to look for WordPress, or something like that. You actually just type in what you're looking for, MySQL. And everything around MySQL will show up right here. Remove everything else. So it's going to remove that. The next section, you have the essentials. These are things that we believe that are really essential to your account, that if you are brand new and you need some additional capabilities to your account, say, the CodeGuard Cloud Backup, so you can back up and restore your site automatically, or maybe you want some new themes, or maybe you want to check out the HostGator website builder. They're all here in the essentials. But if you don't like this section, you can actually change it, and you maybe like the file section. You can move this up, and it should stay. It didn't stay this time, but it does stay. Or if you want to remove it, you can move it here. And unfortunately, since this is a dev environment, it's not staying here, but you can actually move these and they will stick. But I'm going to close all these things that I don't specifically like. Now you also have this section over here, like I said, the left-hand side. And it just kind of makes it a little simpler for you. So say you have your files, your database, you want to quickly go to them, you hit domains, it'll take you straight to the domains section, which obviously I closed. But say you want to see some other cool things. So say maybe you want to go register your domain names. It's going to pop you into where you go your domain names. But another thing that I'm really excited to share is our marketplace. We have a lot of cool features within HostGator that not everybody knows about. I mean, maybe we email you or maybe we put them on social media, but not everybody knows about these other features. We're not just a hosting company. You have all these other features that you can apply to your account to really beef it up. So you go to this HostGator marketplace. The first thing you'll see is the HostGator website builder. Most of you probably saw an email about this, maybe last month. We just released this new website builder that I think it's going to take us to a new level in the website builder space. If you've used this, we'd love to see your feedback because this is a really cool tool. But if you want to use, say, WordPress, or if you want to look at any of our one-click installers, you can click them here. Say you want to see the one-click installs. Let's give it a moment. Actually, it's WordPress, since most people actually use WordPress. So you can choose your domain here, and it's very similar to your old WordPress installer, but basically you choose your domain, your directory, you hit next, your blog title. And a lot of this is still a very good look and feel to what it was before. We just made it a lot simpler. If there's things that you want to add to your site, like plugins, you can find them here. Or if there's any other essentials that you want to find in your account, you can find them all here in the marketplace. Say like all these themes, you have all these plugins, maybe you need some professional services, or maybe you need some essentials like an SSL certificate, a payment processor, maybe a site lock to help protect your site. You're looking at email marketing, you can pretty much add anything within HostGator here. Just go back to websites. So let's see if we have any questions coming through. We don't have any questions yet. But if you have any questions, please sure to ask us on Twitter or here on Facebook or connect with us. We'll be more than happy to go through all this. But basically, we wanted to give you guys a real live view of what's going on with this new website builder or the new HostGator marketplace and the new control panel so that you're not worried about what's going on. That when you see this new tool, that you actually love it. If you do change it, you want to change back, you can do that. You'd come up here to your username, change style, and you actually apply the old theme. Now you can do this for a little while. However, we do recommend that you stay with the new theme because cPanel is going to stop supporting this old theme, and it's just not going to be as available as it was in the past. So right now we're just giving you a soft launch to see what this is and let you choose to move to it. But we want to let you know that you do need to move to this hopefully relatively soon. So if you've watched this video, you checked it out and you're excited about it, or you've read our blog post, or maybe you got an email that we're sending out today. Either way you check this out, we really hope that you find the HostGator theme, that you love it as much as we do, and that you can give us some feedback. If you look at this video, you should see the blog post. In the blog post, we have a link to some feedback. We would really love your feedback, what we can make this theme a little bit better for you, or whatever else you want to do. And if you're connected to us in other words, if you're watching this video, you're probably connected to us on Facebook. But if you want to connect to us everywhere else, we have all of our other links here. So you have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Wherever is more helpful for you, you can get there. And if you need a little help for anything with this theme or just anything at all, you can come here to the help section and you can go to our support knowledge base where you can find a ton of information about everything pretty much hosting related, specifically at HostGator. You can contact us at live chat. There's some WordPress tools, some Joomla tools, or anything you want there. And if you also want to find some other cool stuff, say you want to talk about WordPress, you can search for WordPress, and these are going to give you all the articles within our support knowledge base. So there's all these cool tools here. Or say website builder. All these things about building a website. So we really wanted to pack in all the tools and capabilities within this new control panel for you, so it's just a better overall experience for our customers, because really that's what we're here for. We want to make this a better experience for you. So like I said, go check out the blog post, give us some feedback. If we can make this tool and the cPanel theme any better for you, please let us know. We are more than happy to help you out. And if you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help. And hopefully you enjoy this walkthrough. We're going to wrap it up. And thank you very much.